Hey, what's going on? All right, so we live in a very hot market right now. We're in Victoria, BC, and across our island, across our province, across Canada, and in so many different markets where people want to live, it's a crazy hot market. So the issue at hand right now is how do you successfully invest in these hot markets? I have 9 quick steps I'll walk you through, and we're going to get really deep into these success tips at the Victoria Real Estate Investment Expo. Number one, become an expert in your market. Can't stress this one enough, where if you don't know what you're talking about as you're talking with realtors or just talking with brokers, you go willy-nilly into a property and you're like, you know what, I get emotionally attached to this because I love that kitchen. That can be a huge mistake. So you need to know what your average costs are to purchase a house in different pockets in different neighborhoods. You need to know exactly what your cost to actually manage that property are going to be, what kind of rent you can expect, what kind of appreciation, what kind of vacancies, etc. Through all those different conditions. You need to know that like on the back of your hand, on the fly, so you can be quick to move. Number two, get pre-approved. This is huge. With the markets as hot as it is right now, a lot of offers are going like unconditional. And so part of that is your financing. So if you already have all your ducks in a row and you're pre-approved, that gives you a huge upper hand. Number three, find off-market deals. And you can do this through either door knocking yourself or working with your realtor or just networking at real estate investing groups. The Expo, that would be an awesome place to find some off-market deals. I'm sure a lot of people there are going to be looking at selling and figuring out what to do with their portfolio. Number four, be creative. All right, there's 2 different things that I'll say about being creative. One is as you're looking on like MLS and going through the listings that your realtor sends you, look at really old listings, something that's been on for weeks or months, if that even exists anymore. Because what you can do with those old listings is you might have a quality or a skill that other people don't have. So you can implement that into that investment opportunity. The second part of that is you can work with a partner who doesn't have any short-term goals. So for example, if I was a working partner in a relationship, in a partnership, what I can do with that partner is they can put up all the costs and we can do all the work and we can plan long term on it. Number five, limit your risk. This kind of goes without saying, but I need to say it. People can get emotionally attached to specific different pieces, different investment opportunities, and you just need to know, where your limit is. Number six, cut your costs. So if you already have an income property or if you already have a portfolio that you're managing, a huge way to successfully, kind of work in this environment is they'll go through all your different costs and see if there's something you can cut out. So if you have a vacancy, what you can do is you can look at transferring your hydro from your own personal name into your tenant's name. That's just one example. Number seven, refinance. Because we're in such a hot market, your equity has probably grown. Use some of that equity and reinvest that into other investments. Number eight, it's a hot market. You might as well sell high. We all know that the real estate market does this. So if you've got the inclination, if you're into timing the market, what you can do on that peak is you can look at selling high so that when we come back down and there's a correction, you can have your little nest egg, and you can invest that on a discount, let's say. And the last tip I'll give you is looking at other markets. So Victoria and the island is quite hot, but you can look into like Alberta and other places of the country that aren't quite on that crazy steep slope right now. My name is Steve. I'm with the Reinvestors. We are co-producing the Victoria Real Estate Investment Expo. Tickets are on sale. They're flying fast. Make sure you get your VIP tickets because that's really what's going to take you to the next level. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned because tomorrow I got another great tip coming your way. I'm going to solve your issues and I'll see you at the Expo. Thank you.